Hi, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to show you how to reverse sear some eye fillet steaks on the SNS Kamado Grill. So I've taken our steaks out of the fridge and are bringing them up to room temperature. Now I'm going to light the grill. We're going to pour some boiling water into the water reservoir before adding our Flaming Coals lump charcoal. Season your eye fillet steaks using your favourite steak rub. Mine is the Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso rub. Our steaks are all rubbed up, our Kamado's up to temperature. We just need to add our smoking wood and it's time to get the steaks on. Our eye fillet steaks have now been cooking for 40 minutes. It's time to check the internal temperature and see if they're done. The internal temperature is sitting at 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is exactly where we want it to be. We're going to take these off and let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Our steaks have been resting for 10 minutes. It's time to put them over the coals and sear them off. We've had our steaks searing for a few moments each side. Let's check the internal temperature. Absolutely perfect. We have an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to get them off the grill. So we've added our grilled vegetables. We've let our steak rest for another 5 minutes. Let's slice it up and see how we went. So there you have it. Our eye fillet steak came out perfectly medium rare. The only thing left to do is to tuck in. That's amazing.